In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use date range controls in Looker Studio. A date range control lets viewers interact with your report by choosing exactly which dates they want to analyze, so your charts and scorecards refresh to match that window. It's one of the simplest ways to make a static dashboard feel dynamic and useful. Start by heading to Looker Studio in your browser. Once you're on the home screen, open the report you want to work on. If it opens in view mode, switch to editing so you can make changes. You'll know you're in edit mode when you can see the toolbar across the top and the properties panel on the right. Next, we'll add the control. In the top toolbar, click Add a Control, then choose Date Range Control from the list. This tells Looker Studio you want a calendar-style filter your viewers can interact with. Place it on the page by clicking and dragging across the canvas. The width you draw determines how much room the control has to display the selected dates, so give it enough space to be readable. You can always move or resize it later if you need to tidy up your layout. With the control selected, click where it says Select Date Range. This opens the calendar picker. Choose your start date first. Pick the earliest date you want included in your analysis. Then choose your end date, which should be the last day you want in scope. If you prefer, the calendar also includes quick presets like recent weeks or months, which can save time when you're building recurring reports. When your dates look right, click Apply. Your report will refresh to reflect that window. By default, a date range control affects the charts on the current page that use a compatible date field from your data source. If something doesn't update, double check that those charts have a date dimension configured and that the data actually exists for the period you selected. Also keep in mind that time zones and data freshness can influence what shows up at the very edges of your range. That's it, your date range control is live. Viewers can now click it, adjust the start and end dates, and instantly see metrics, trends, and comparisons update across the page. It's a small addition that delivers a big improvement in usability, especially for reports that need to answer questions across different time periods. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building more flexible, data-aware dashboards in Looker Studio.